It's me, Sushreeya, and today we are going to be talking about an amazing topic that I've been pondering or wondering for such a long time. What causes seasons to change? Has anybody wondered this? A lot of astronomers have, but it's very rare. We are going to talk about this today to discuss why seasons change, okay? Whiteboard is helping us out and markers too, okay? So first, you know our entire solar system. The sun would be the middle. So let's see, I'm going to draw the sun now. Okay? Let's say this is a big, gorgeous sun. Okay? Now, let's say on this line, is Earth. I'm just going to draw little green tick marks in the sun. So land and water. Makes sense, right? That makes up our Earth. Now, as you can see, the sun is in the middle, the Earth is here. Earth does a spinning rotation wave. But do you know what it's called? It's called the rotation. Sure, it rotates. The Earth rotates just like this. One circle equals 1 day or 24 hours and a quarter. Now, here, let's say is summer. Okay, so I'm going to note this is summer, let's say. Okay? In this part of summer, I'm going to color this half. You see this half, this little circle part right there. Let's say that would be our northern hemisphere, okay? Here's the axes, north and south, okay? This causes the northern hemisphere to get the sunlight. On their side, they have the summer, or the other side would get the winter. Now, let's follow the same way in a different way. Okay, so like I said, the Earth is made of land, water, okay? Now, as it rotates again, it also, as I said, spins around the sun on this line. But how does it do that? How long does it take it? About a year or 365 days or 365. It moves like this. So I'm rotating, but it goes in a circle. It looks like I'm just walking as I'm spinning, right? So that's what is called, we say, is a revolution. Now, I'll draw the axes. This is the north, this is the south. But this time, it's south's turn to get its summer. If you close, it's summer. But now as for the north, which we are typically saying on our side, would get what we say is winter. If you closely pay attention to what I've been saying so far, then you can easily notice where spring is going to be and where is fall. Here what I'd say is fall. Okay? So I make my Earth again, and it's land. Okay? But now watch it out. Here's its axes. Oh, plus I forgot to tell you. Did you know the axis you can see is not straight? It's because of the axes on each of our 8 planets in our solar system, their axes make it tilt. Or make it straight, make it upside down, make it sideways. The planet can go any way, but it's in one fixed position. So if I'm tilt, I tilt while I'm spinning. That's how the Earth is because of its axes. So Earth north is on the top, south is on the bottom. Wait a sec. Both of it are going towards the sun. Equinox. That means equal time of day and night. Summer and winter get a solar ticks, 6. That means there would not be an equal amount of night and summer in the day and the night. Now, if you can see, summer has 16 hours for its day. Perhaps the rest of its time, night and evening, which means summer, most of its time is spent in daytime. As for if it is the opposite in winter, where it is the shortest amount of day, 9 hours. As for us, the left, evening and night, which means it is the shortest time with the day, and we spend most of it. Okay? Now, as you can see, this is, you can say, is fall, okay? Or autumn. Now, let's see. Because now it's equinox, it's going to be like that. Now, for spring, there's an equinox too. It is like that for both. Here, and I'll show you why. I see a beautiful earth. And let me get my green. Sorry, couldn't see that well. Land. Okay, that looks perfect, right? Let me do my axes. Well, there's the south, okay? Now, as you can see, you can totally tell that this is spring. Because, see? Again, it will also do the same thing, okay? So, now we can say that this is spring. As I said, there are 3 main terms. Well, you are going to study this, maybe in your school, wherever. But with me, I'll tell you what they are. I'll write it down right here. One is called the overhead sun. The next, like we called, is solar sticks. Then we have equinox. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. We haven't talked about overhead sun, but when Earth goes just by sun, and it is not an equal length, it is called the overhead sun. But now let me also tell you another trick, how to remember equinox. Now as you can see, when the sun is, the equator line, which is the middle of the Earth, which is going horizontally, which means across, is usually where the sun occurs to shine the light. Wherever most of the light occurs to be on Earth, we typically say more summer or more spring would be on that side. Typically same on the other side, but where I covered dark or the other way, I would say is winter or fall, where there is no sun and it's more cold. But as for if you can say on both poles, there is always going to be snow, but typically in different ways, you can say it in different things, okay? So, it's not anything about the sun, like I said, right? So, what we said is, we're all clear that it's all about the motion that the Earth plays its role. The Earth is a major thing, and that's why we have seasons, because the Earth and the sun play a game. On the angle it goes on, okay? So this is what I wanted to talk to you about seasons and why they occur and change, okay? So this is what I wanted to talk to you. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in the comments. I promise I'd love to answer my questions. And also, make sure you do that for the other speeches if we're kind of confused with those two, okay? I'd like if you really could like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Have a good day. See you soon. Bye. Just take a quick visualizing, and this is a chart that we work on today. Bye.